Hello to all crypto traders and welcome to another Elliott Waves on Cryptos video. Today, and as you will probably have noticed, we're going to have a quick look on ENJIN because it has exploded to the upside, breaking to fresh highs above the 3 mark or so. I think we reached around 3.5 or so. This is on the back of optimism surrounded about the recent, actually it's going to be tomorrow, listing on Coinbase Pro. So if you have checked my last video, you would have known that this move was expected either way. So why don't we have another update today to have a look how markets have developed since, where we're expected to go in the short term, in the medium term, as well as the long term. Do know that this is not investment advice and the purpose of these videos are purely educational. So back to the charts, guys. I don't think I find a reason to really go over the same patterns again and again. So what we're going to do, we're going to use the chart that we analyzed last time, and we're going to have a quick identification of Fibonacci extensions, the levels that we're actually looking for prices to reach or even to correct to. So as you will remember, we are still in the primary move on the upside. This is where we're trading, and internally we've got an intermediate wave, the red one structure, that we haven't even gone to wave 3 yet. Now waves 3 are the most impulsive in a move, but sometimes in cryptocurrencies we also see wave 5 being quite extended. In this particular scenario, I do believe that we're going to get an extended wave 5 because we are currently in wave 3 and we haven't even yet reached like that wave 3, because wave 3 is going to be at the top of the primary degree move here. If we look at the ascending channel, that is the main reason I believe we're going to get a 4 and a 5 that is going to break outside this channel, and we're going to be really bullish in that scenario. Now, if you remember last time we talked about well, let's have a quick look. We talked about 1 and 2, we talked about that 43, and then we talked about the wave 3 and the wave 4. Yes, that's correct. And what we were looking, when we measure 3 and 4, we're looking either at the 618 or the 1618. Yeah, perhaps we can look at the 1 as well. I will tell you in a minute if we should or not. So we were looking at the 3.76. Yes, and then we were looking at 6.7, right? These levels make sense to me because we had the correction and we said that the correction is probably going to be in around 1.92. Let me remind you why we said that. We said that because the rule of alternation is respected. What the rule of alternation says, one of the guidelines that is included, in case we do, the two corrections in a particular wave structure should equal to 1 or 100. So look at this wave 2 down here, guys, in the blue. We did the 61.8 Fibonacci extension, correction, excuse me. Yeah, that's the wave 2. And then we said, well, that means that if the rule of alternation is respected, then the guideline should really give us a 38.2 Fibonacci retracement in wave 3. Yeah, that's for wave 4. And wave 3 ended up here. So look at this. We added the 38.2 and we came exactly at the recent low, okay? This is the level that we have been looking for a potential correction, yeah? And this is exactly what happened. And last time I said, guys, the low should and could be in, so get ready. And then we got the wave 4, yeah? And explosive move on the upside. We are nearly done the 3.76. I believe with tomorrow's listing, there is very good chances we might reach the $5. And from there, we could start declining lower for wave 4. Okay, so there is two scenarios. One scenario is that we're going to continue higher and get a rejection at the top trend line and then start moving lower and then break above. The other scenario is that we're going to have the first weak attempt towards this channel trend line and then move lower, and probably that correction is going to be more shallow than it would be if we had a rejection, then continue higher up. That is going to be a more explosive move, most likely. Yeah, now, I said earlier about the 100 Fibonacci here and whether we should really take it into account or not. In this particular structure, we should take the 100 Fibonacci extension into consideration, yes, because the rule of alternation is reached, which means that the particular structure might have more guidelines and rules to respect, okay, because it's a very orthodox structure, let's just say, right? Now, with that said, and having done waves 1, 2, 3, and 4, and because wave 3 was extended, it's very likely that wave 1 is equal to wave 5, because the rules are saying that when wave 3 is extended, and in this case we get an extended 3, then wave 1 and wave 5 are most likely going to be the same. This is called the guideline of equality. Okay, so we've got equality, which is respected, and we've got the rule of alternation, which is respected, and we've got ENJIN coin, a very well respected coin as well. So with that said, guys, I'll be looking at the 3.76. Perhaps we can get a correction there because the truth is that the listing has not really happened yet. So this all is going to be priced in tomorrow. A lot of people probably do not know about the listing, okay? A lot are going to find out here with us today. You can take advantage of it, or, you know, while you are taking advantage of it, also be cautious, because the 376 is an important level for me. And then the 489. So I'll be looking for a correction in the near future, and I think it's going to be quite near, okay? After even perhaps getting to that level up. Now, once we're done with this, guys, and let's assume that we do the equality. We go to 4.89, yeah? So let's go to 4.89, which is here. And then what we can do, we can again use the Fibonacci expansion this time and look at levels for the upside for wave 3. I believe if we're going to get a nice break over here, guys, we're going to get to at least 7.8 and then towards the 10. Even higher, because we're still in impulse primary wave 3. Okay, so this will be all for the day, guys. If you do like the video, I will appreciate you like this particular analysis. Subscribe, turn your notifications on, because most of the people with notifications on are receiving updates, obviously updated. They are updated with the markets as long as I update those videos as well. So in case you have questions, I'm always available on YouTube. Do not hesitate to leave a comment, and I will do my best to get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching, and we're going to have another video coming up soon.